there was a seudah, a meal that he had, and there was a person that sat and started asking him some question, and the Bial Rebbe looked at him like that and told him, "You're not allowed to do those things." And that person is, it's terrified, doesn't understand what he's talking about. He said, what have I done? He said, "You're not allowed to upset a righteous man like that." And no one understands what goes on. Everyone are terrified. What did he do, this poor guy? And then he's telling him, "You go to Rav Alter David Chaim Stern." What? Like Rav Alter David Chaim Stern called the Admor Mibiala to tell him what happened. Nothing. We're talking heaven. We're talking visions. We're talking about understanding things beyond borders of physicality. And he's telling him, you went to Rav Alter David Chaim Stern and you ask him for advice, and when he gives you that advice, you don't follow that advice? And that person is looking at him and he said, "But I didn't felt like I can marry her. I didn't thought that she was..." Like, what? You know? Yes, he knows. And he tells him, "I didn't feel like..." He said, "But he told you. And you asked him to find you a shidduch. And he find you that woman. And after it, he came to me. And he told me that you hurt him, that it was so hard for him. You think that you should be matriach to make him so, in trouble to go and to make you a shidduch, and then you cancel that shidduch. What are you doing? You're going to make such an old righteous man suffer so much for you with no reason? You don't do things like that." This is righteous people. Those are holy people. So they're standing in one side of reality. They see the truth. They're with HaShem. They see the loving kindness. And also them, not all of them have the power to do what did we do here today. Every one of the righteous people, he got his own job. And he's doing his thing in the world. Rabbi Yehuda Zev Lebovich was not allowing people. There is that amazing song of salvation. I la 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 na 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 na. I na 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 na. I la 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 la. I la 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 la. He was not allowing his students to repeat any one of those parts over and over again. Was not allowing. Not because it's not allowed, and he explained. He said, because I don't like to hear the same thing twice. We need to move on to the next stage. That's Rabbi Yehuda Zev Lebovich. Immediately when I heard that, I said, and I'm going to sing the same part over and over and over and over and over and over until everyone will catch that nigun, that music. So he will do his job, and he made a fantastic job. We don't understand what he did in the world. But you're not supposed to be Rabbi Yehuda Zev Lebovich. You need to follow your heart.
You know me, my name is RDMC. With the Muna project, all the nations with me. Close your eyes, just breathe, see the truth. Don't chase the fake world, don't buy the fake news. Be yourself, your own true self. Don't let no one take our natural wealth. See the good. No fear, no despair. Cherish who that you are and share. Source of power from an endless spring. Light of courage in yourself.
They can kick you down to the ground. Hold yourself up till you are, put up your crown. King of the Creator, holy soul inside. Focus on the spiritual and you shall find.